You want to see my eye bleeding? Well, there you go. Man. And that's just a burst blood vessel apparently. Well, I just starts to bleed. I don't know why it started this time, but it's been since I started to drinking quite a bit, and that's what it does. It just bleeds. That's better. It's finished.